Although an entry-level saw, this has many features and benefits normally only found on much higher spec chainsaws. It's powered by a 32cc two-stroke engine that generates 1.7 horsepower, so it's ideal for lighter tree work, thinning and hedging. And it weighs just 4.3 kilograms, which makes it very easy to use in confined situations. The catalytic muffler ensures the engine complies with all the current exhaust emission regulations. The advanced electronic ignition system controls the idling speed and increases the power output within the normal working RPM range, as well as providing engine overrun protection. The Makita Easy Start spring-assisted recoil starter reduces the amount of pull force needed to start the saw. It only requires a light pull for the spring assistance to be activated and the engine turned over. Coupled to this, the saw uses memory power ignition technology for easy restarting when it's hot. What this means is that energy is stored in the coil during normal working, and this reduces the RPM needed for restarting by 50%. The fuel primer pump is easily accessible, and having a clear bulb allows you to see when there's sufficient fuel in the line. The on-off choke combination switch has an automatic lock at the half throttle position for easy starting. The touch and stop switch just requires a light downward touch to stop the engine, but the switch then automatically returns to the run position. This eliminates any risk of the engine being flooded when you come to restart. The switch can be moved down to the locked off position for safe transport or maintenance. For added user safety, this saw has the Makita M2M vibration dampening system, and this effectively isolates the engine drive and guide bar from the operator's hand grips. This is achieved using heavy-duty steel springs that are built to last and are not affected by oil or fuel like rubber dampers. Vibration levels are just 4.8 meters per second squared. The EA3201 is supplied with a 35 centimeter bar that takes a 3/8 pitch chain. The tensioning system is external and toolless. All you have to do is turn this knob until the chain sits flush against the bottom of the guide bar and then fold the knob back in. It's very easy. There's an automatic oil pump for the bar. You can adjust the oil flow rate if necessary to suit different bar lengths. The inertia chain brake provides operator protection in the event of a kickback, stopping the chain instantly. But it can also be used manually to lock the chain securely for transport between jobs. The unique integrated design of the Makita chain brake allows the guide bar and chain to be fitted much more easily compared to other makes of saw, and it prevents shavings accumulating in the sprocket cover. General maintenance is also very straightforward on these saws. Both the oil and the fuel filler caps are designed for easy removal and they won't get jammed on. The oil tank holds 280 millilitres and the fuel tank 400 millilitres, so you'll get plenty of run time between fill-ups. The air filter is easily accessible for cleaning, and it's made from a fleece material which is very resistant to dust and dirt. The saw is provided with a chain protection cover and a universal wrench.